Hi, I'm John Gleason, and this is the UDOT Construction Update. Here in western Salt Lake County, SR 201 will close between I-80 and SR 202 from Friday night through Monday morning. While the road is closed, our crews will be repairing some storm drains on the highway. You can get around the closure by using SR 202 to connect between I-80 and SR 201. In Summit County, we're closing lanes daily on I-80 in both directions near Kimball Junction. I-80 is down to 2 lanes in each direction on weekdays from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. through October. Delays from these lane closures shouldn't be too severe, but you'll want to keep this in mind as you're traveling through that area. Our crews are placing new concrete barriers at the Kimball Junction Bridge and the pedestrian bridge to make the road safer for drivers. And in Little Cottonwood Canyon, we're starting a project this Monday morning that will make additional repairs and improvements after the recent landslides. SR 210, the road leading up Little Cottonwood Canyon, will be reduced to just 1 lane with flaggers controlling traffic up and down the canyon. Now, these restrictions will be in place Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. through Thanksgiving, so you'll want to plan for 15-minute delays in both directions over the next 2 months. Over the next several weeks, we'll be removing large amounts of debris, rocks, and mud, replacing damaged ditches and culverts, installing 3 new 5-foot-tall concrete pipe culverts, and repairing and replacing signs and guardrail. It's a big project. As always, remember to travel wise during construction to reduce delays. Do what makes the most sense for you. Work from home, adjust your travel schedule, or take transit. Now, for more information on these and all other UDOT construction projects, please visit our website at udottraffic.utah.gov, or you can download our free UDOT Traffic app.